Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Sooji Halwa or Sheera. This is Indian style Sooji Halwa, which is very easy to make. And let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. To make Sheera, Sooji Halwa Indian style, we need some semolina, we need ground sugar, we need almond, ground cardamom. We also need some hot boiling water and also ghee, and that's all you need to make the Sooji Halwa. Other than that, you can add kishmish, which is dry raisin, if you would like to. So let's go to the stove and we can start cooking. To begin, I'm going to roast this almond on a little saucepan non-stick, which is heating over medium high heat. And now I'm going to chop this roasted almond. Save it for later. I melt some ghee in this non-stick pot. Add your semolina. We are going to roast this for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the semolina has catch a light pink color. And now the semolina has fragrant. Now you're gonna add your boiled water, and you have to be careful. Mix right away, fast, quicker. This has to be quicker. All right. And now you can see how the semolina is looking right now. And now it's time to add the sugar. Mix. Guys, this smell is so good over here. Now add the ground cardamom. You can add between 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons. And I'm also gonna add this chopped roasted almond, and mix. And now you can see how the halwa is looking. They all has come together like almost kind of a dough, and this is what we call sheera. And it is super good to have, and it is so quick to make, as you guys can see. Quick and easy sheera, quick and easy Sooji Halwa Indian style that you can make for every occasion or some festival. And I want to give it a try very badly because it's been a long time since I've eaten this, and I know it is hard, but I still want to try it. It tastes different, but so good. It is hot. This is so good. And you can make puri to go with this, and you call it halwa puri. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna write the ingredient down below in the description box for you. Don't forget to check it out and make it, and you're gonna be happy and how this turns so quickly. I will see you next time. Bye.